bars aren't bent.
It's got just under 4,000 miles.
It's nice because normally that green backdrop for the gauges gets all like spider webbed when they sit in the sun. Man, the paint shrinks on it. Yeah.
Wow.
At least our stupid thing will get along with you two.
Yeah.
She just don't like other dogs at all.
That's how my dog is.
And those came right out.
She just can't stand them.
All
She
right.
likes people, but
That pan's in good shape. The seat cover and the foam, not so much.
yeah, I know.
Foam's fine. Just sitting on it.
Ugh.
I put a clear line so I could tell them, make sure I could see what it was.
There it goes.
Good. I put a clear one on, that way I could see it so it could stop there.
I don't know why you have to add water. You would think it would work better like concentrated. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yellow?
Yep. We're leaking gas out our carb,
Yeah.
but
But that's a cool sign.
yeah.
I mean, that's amazing.
Yeah, there you go. Runs. Clean the tank. Carb kit.
Yeah. Day one. All right. Seriously.
Oh, it's on. I checked.
1 sec. I want a video of it.
Oh, it's coming out big time. As soon as you poured it in there, it came out
Okay,
the
go ahead.
overflow.
Oh, your funnel's full. Is it choked?
Yeah.
And she's out of fuel.
No, there's fuel in the
There's
funnel.
fuel in it?
Yeah. I
Yeah, then
joked
your
it.
needle's stuck.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, your needle's stuck.
Carb clean.
Every time
Done
I
deal.
try to unchoke it, and she starts to die. Yep, carb needs clean, but other than that, we're done.
Give me that stick. Give me that stick. Get it. All right. Get one.
Carb on in a hot minute.
Well, it's St. Patrick's Day.
I haven't had one since last.
What kind of whiskey did she use?
She used Eagle Rare 10-year.
That's a good whiskey, but wow.
All right,
My whiskey.
to the bike. And Irish stuff, I guess.
Everything looks about to stick.
Tree. Dog. Dude, this is a hoot. This is a. Why has it got to be Tuesday? I know, right?